Hello, Hill families. Mrs. Burke here, your proud principal. I'd like to take this opportunity to show you a free parent resource that has been shared on our district website called parentguidance.org. There is a wealth of information at your fingertips to offer support, strategies, and resources in a user-friendly format. The first thing you'll want to do is access a computer or smartphone and go to the district's homepage at davisonschools.org. Here you will navigate down to the quick links on the left-hand side. Go ahead and click on the light blue circle that says parentguidance.org Mental Health Resources. Once you're on the Parent Guidance website, you'll want to click Get Started for free. Creating an account will take less than a minute. Here you will create a username, add your email, create a password, select your location, which is just your state that you live in, and then agree to the terms and conditions. Decide whether or not you'd like to be added on for a newsletter, and then click Join Now. I've created my account, and this is what it will look like once you've created yours. So you've got a dashboard along with 4 tabs at the top of the screen: Courses, Ask a Therapist, Parent Coaching, and Get Help. The Get Help tab is for crisis situations. It's access to crisis centers. Parent Coaching is exactly what it states, parent coaching. You can register for parent coaching. Ask a Therapist is a tab where parents like yourselves have asked questions to the therapist and the therapists have responded. So you can look at some of those questions and answers. Today we're going to spend some time in Courses. So once you're on the Courses page, you can see here, these are courses that you can actually take for free. The courses I have looked at have been less than 45 minutes, and they have been broken down into anywhere from like 2 to 10-minute segments. So I'm going to have you scroll all the way down towards the bottom of the page where you'll view their library by topic. There are several different areas that you could select. I know for many of our families that we hear from, they're experiencing their child having maybe some anxiety, depression, grief and loss. There could also be just simple questions about development at certain ages. So you could look at preschool or school. Technology, there's information about bullying. There is also information about video games. I have spent a little bit of time looking at the school and technology area today. So technology, once you click that, you will see there are several courses that pop up, and they keep adding these each month as well. So you might see different courses or more courses added to different areas. So it depends on the age of your child, what you might be looking for, but how digital media is changing our children's mental health, I highly recommend to all of our families, because we are living in a digital age, which is much different than the age that we grew up in ourselves. So once you click on a course, these are free again, but you will navigate here. You can do a course preview when you select the tab here. I've already completed this course, so you can see the check marks are already there. So the course overview is just 2 minutes and explains what the course is all about. And you can choose, if this is something that you want to move forward with and listen to or not. The course lessons for this particular topic go over what's driving the rapid acceleration of anxiety and depression in teens, which we know is a very big concern in our teens today. How to talk with your child about their screen time. 4 strategies to protect our children's mental well-being. Again, I do highly encourage all of our parents to look at this course. This is one that I will also include more information on in our February newsletter. If you have any questions about this resource or would like just more information on any of the topics, something that Mrs. Thompson, our counselor, or myself could help with, please feel free to contact us. We are here to help always. I just thought it was too valuable of a resource to be on our page shared electronically without your knowledge and understanding of what is actually at your fingertips. So I understand it takes a village to raise a child, and it rings true to parents and families today more than ever before. Your job as a parent is the most important job that you have, and one that we value here at Hills School. And we definitely want to continue to be your partners in your child's education. So please know that we're here to help support you in any way that we can. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for listening.